Okay, so now how to create APK signed in bundle from Android Studio, okay, and to upload katika Google Play Store. Okay, kama unavyoona hizi applications. Okay, so now your application utakuja uweke Play Store. Okay, so kuweza kuweka Play Store from Android Studio utakuwa generate signed in bundle APK. Okay, for example, my application is known as loan management system, for example, my application on here. So now nataka ni create then generate Play Store. Okay, for that come to Android Studio, come to build menu, so build, okay, then generate signed in bundle APK. Okay, then just select Android app bundle, then check it, then click next. Okay, okay, so now create a new, okay, so key to store path, then click, then navigate to your desired location. For example, in the desktop, and then I create a new directory, then my directory is known as key, and then I click OK. Okay, after then I select my directory, then file name will be key. Okay, then I click OK. Okay, password is 123 and confirm password is 123. Key alias, that's a left default. Password is 123. 123. Then a first name, for example, my first name is Samir. Organization unit is also Samir. Organization is also Samir. Okay. Okay, for example, Dodoma, my city. State, for example, Tanzania. Okay, country code, for example, 222. So not issue sana kuweza kuandika ya mambo hapa. After then click OK. Password must be, 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6 and 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 in password. Then click OK. Okay, so then remember password. Okay, so encrypted key export path, and select it, desktops, then my directory ambao ni key. Okay, now click next, then select release, select debug, select release kwa sababu inaenda Play Store, then click. So now ina generate. Okay, so ina generate signed in bundle. Okay, so after finish, come to expand this one, then locate release. Okay, so it open. So this is my APK signed in bundle. Okay, so now copy it. So the path is loan system app release. So unaweza kwenye this computer, local disk C, users, my name, Android Studio project, then my project, then app. Okay, then of course the sources, is build. So again, local disk C, users, Samir, my name, Android Studio project, loan system, app, then release. The same. So just right click, copy, come to desktop and paste. So now we have APK ambayo tulitengeneza kwenye last tutorial, and you have signed in bundle. Okay, so now be careful. Sometime, yes, I'll show it. Ukija Play Store, sometimes uka upload application na ikakwambia application version tayari ipo. Hiyo version unayo upload kwenye Play Store unaambiwa ipo. Hii message sometime inaweza katokea. Okay, or sometime a message can be, for example, this message. Okay, so you need to upload an APK or Android app bundle for this application. So yes, we remove the you have uploaded the same Android APK version. Okay, ulisha upload na upload tena, so hiyo ni just a mistake. So ku avoid hiyo, so error nyingine ni hii hapa. Okay, Okay, so use a different version code for your APK Android. Okay, so to fix that error, okay, so come to Gradle script, okay, then access build.gradle. Okay, after then come to change version. So current version code is 1, version name 1.0. so version code change to 2, version name will be 2.0. okay, after then now come to click sync. Okay, now Gradle fanya syncing. Okay, so wait a moment. After syncing, now we need to create a new signed in bundle, and now we can upload Play Store na hii message itakuwa removed. Okay, haitakuwepo message. Okay, so for that again you come to build. Okay, after then you come to select generate signed in bundle and then you click it. Okay, then you just choose Android app bundle. Okay, then you click next. Okay, then use the same key, ambao umeitengeneza mara kwanza kule. So natakuwa ile file ulisave, not just, na ndio maana sababu kubwa tumesave kwenye key. So use the same key, ni hizi hapa hizi kwenye desktop, otherwise Play Store itakukatalia. Okay, let's use the same key. So kama key umeiweka kwenye flash au umeiweka somewhere, so choose existing. So access desktop. Okay, access key, then keys or key.jk. yes, then select it, then just select up. Okay, then remember password, then click next, then choose release. Okay, after then you click create, then click create. So now Gradle na just build again project, then not create signed in bundle version number 2. Okay, so please wait a moment. Then kisha come finish, then click locate. Okay, the same procedure, then come to copy and access desktop. So hii ilikuwa ni version 1, so v1. Okay, and this one is version 2, so rename it as a version 2 or v2. Okay, so now upload Play Store hii hapa, na hii error inayoonekana hapa just kuondoka. So here you need to use different version code for your APK on Android app bundle, because you already have one with version code 1, the same version code. Okay, so your problem inatokana na hicho kitu. So ukisolve ndo unafanya hivyo, and then kusolve maana yake unakuja kwenye Gradle una change version tu hapa, kwa kule watagundua hiyo ni version mpya na user anapotumia application yake atakuwa notified. Ukisha upload Play Store atakuwa notified. For example, ni access Play Store. So where is the Play Store? Play Store. So this one. Okay, then access a particular application, for example YouTube. Okay, so now you can see up to date. So now application yako kitatokea hichi kitu, endapo just kugenerate a new version code, then uka-upload Play Store, watumiaji wa application yako kule wataonyeshewa message hiyo, message kwamba ulivyo upload version mpya tu, huku imekuja nini kwenye, ukifungua tu Play Store account kwenye application yako pale utaona neno up to date, kwa sababu version code umechange. Okay, so now mwisho wa tutorial. Asante kwa kunisikiliza, and thank you.